Today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in OPPO Neo. So if you don't see your WhatsApp alerts at the start, always check. The easiest way, just check your DND mode. Make sure that you have this chat deactivated, like here. In the next step, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and go to the app info. We're gonna start from notifications, open it, check that we have this button activated with the lock screen and the banner. In the next step, let's open the data usage and turn on the background data. If you still don't have your alerts, make the backup of your messages, go to the storage usage and choose clear data. Tap on the delete. After that, you have to log in again to the WhatsApp app and check your alerts. In the next step, let's open the settings, go to the additional settings and choose reset options. Tap on the reset device and select network settings. Then tap on the reset network settings button. In the last step, let's try to upgrade your system, so go to the about device and tap on the ColorOS. If you have any updates, install it and check your WhatsApp again. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.